guys, welcome back to my channel, Barb's Favorite Foods. So it's the thick of winter, it's freezing and cold and miserable outside, and nothing warms you up better than a really yummy soup. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a red lentil soup that I got from SOS Cuisine. I've made it 1,000 times, and what I really love about this recipe is that it has tons of different spices to help give it some really nice flavor. And I also love the fact that I can take this recipe and make it in batches and use it for lunches over the course of a couple weeks. Throw it in the freezer, pull it out as you need it. So let's get started. This is everything you're gonna need for this recipe. This is a super quick recipe to prepare. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat and add 1 medium chopped onion. Saute the onion for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are soft and translucent. Then add garlic, ginger, and spices. Turmeric, curry powder, ground cinnamon, cumin, and chili powder. I love the spice combination in this recipe, but I go more heavy-handed with the spices than the recipe actually calls for. Add 1 cup of red lentils which have been rinsed and dried. Then add 4 cups of chicken broth and 3/4 of a cup of canned diced tomatoes. This is also a good time to add your salt and pepper to taste. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, simmer uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes until the lentils are soft. Once the lentils are soft, turn off the heat and finish this recipe by adding 2/3 of a cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Then we're done. So there you have it, guys, spicy red lentil soup. This is one of my all-time favorite winter recipes to help warm me up. Great for a lunchtime meal. Let me know if you decide to try this recipe for yourself and how it turns out. If you like this video and you want to see more of my favorite foods, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified the next time a video of mine comes up. Thanks for stopping by and see you next time.